What's up, everybody? I am your girl A Danae, if you didn't know, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, how you doing? If you are old, welcome back. Today we are doing a different type of video. This is a series that I'm excited to start doing on my channel. So this video is called Curly Collections, and what that will be is every 2 weeks I'm gonna try a new brand of products. So for 2 weeks straight, I'm using nothing but one specific brand of products. And then this is just the intro video to give you guys the products I'm using, all the information about the products that I have, and then the last video at the end of the 2 weeks will be how I felt they work for my hair, just like a general review of the brand and the products that I used. So I'm excited for this because I'm also excited to use up some of the products that I have in my cabinet that I haven't been using. So this first 2 week span is going to be the Mane Choice. I love the Mane Choice, so it's only natural that I have the most products from their collection or collections. So let me give you guys a quick overview of the products that I'll be using. To start, this is just all of the products that I have, and this is essentially what I'll be using for the next 2 weeks. So I have 4 products from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. It includes the 5-minute reviving mask, and I'll put a picture in of all these products, and then I'll put them down in the description box as well. And if you have any tips or tricks that you use when using these products, please let me know, because I'm looking for all the help I can get. So this is the 5-minute reviving mask, Ready Set Curl. I also have the Super Antioxidant Texture Beautifier Mousse, which is this one. The conditioner, as well as the shampoo from Pink Lemonade and Coconut. And as you can see, I do use these products, so it's not like I've never used this, because Curlbox did a Mane Choice special, so I have a lot of different products, and then I buy some of my own. So I have those 4 from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut. Her Heavenly Halo collection, I have 5 products. That includes the softening milk, and this collection is supposed to be herbal hair tonic and soy milk for deep hydration. So I have the softening milk, I have the serum oil mist, I have the pre-poo, and then I also have the shampoo, shampoo and conditioner, which is these 2. From her Ancient Egyptian collection, I have the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel, which I love. I love this stuff. And then I have the split end treatment serum. I think I've used this once, so I'm excited to see how it does for my hair. One of these days this week I am going to be trimming my ends, so I may do a video on that, I may not, but I've been cutting my own ends for a while because I've been seeing significant growth in my hair, so I haven't really wanted to straighten it. And then last but not least, from her signature products, or the products that she first launched with, I have the Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. So I just bought this one because I did need to buy a gel, and I'm excited to see how it does on my hair. So this one is brand new and I haven't tried it before. I also have the Daily Hair Dressing Doesn't Get Much Better Than This. And I talked about this one in one of my last videos when I was talking about alternatives for Eco Styler Gel, or just things to use instead. So I'll put a little link up here so you guys can see that video if you haven't already. I also have the growth oil, which I love as well, and then the detangling hydration shampoo, and I have the conditioner, but it's in my shower right now, and I think that bottle is about empty, so I may have to get some more. So those are the 3 collections that I have from the Mane Choice. The purpose of this little experiment that I'm going to be doing is to basically see which products help soften my hair, keep in moisture, as well as what I actually want to use on my hair, because I do eventually want to stick with one line, and I have products from several lines. These videos will go into Shea Moisture, Curls, As I Am, and a lot of different other brands, because I have like a whole Walmart natural hair section in my house, and I do want to use some of these products that I haven't used before, and I want to get a good gauge at how they affect my hair when I'm using them with their products from the same line. So I want to share that with you guys, and I hope you will be interested in seeing the results video as well as more hair videos from me on my channel. If you are interested in seeing pictures of how I style my hair throughout the week, or short wash videos and things like that, make sure you follow my Instagram. I will post all that stuff on my Instagram, more frequent updates than I'll do to YouTube. So this week's curl collection, or this 2 weeks curl collection, is the Mane Choice products. And I will see you guys at the end of week 2. Toodles! Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, as well as comment some brands that you guys use that I may not have heard of, or that you know have great products. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this, and I hope you are too.